Hello children, welcome to your EVS class. In today's class, we will learn about sources of water. You already know the different sources of water. Those are rain, rivers, springs, wells, ponds and reservoirs. These are all sources of water. In this, first source of water is rain. It's a main source of water. It's a basic source of water for the many other sources of water. Our Indian agriculture is majorly depend upon the rain. When we get satisfied amount of water, then only we can grow good quality crops. Next source of water is oceans. Oceans are the biggest source of water on the earth. But ocean's water is salty. It contains chloride and sodium. So that's why the ocean's water is saline or salty. Why is the ocean's water salty? When the rain flows over the land, the water washes salt and other minerals out of the rocks and get mixed with the water in the streams, rivers, etc. The rivers finally carry the salt to the ocean. The salt stays in the ocean as no water flows out of the ocean. When the ocean water evaporates to form clouds, almost all the salt stays behind. The left behind salt slowly gets collected over a period of time, and this is how a ocean water get salty. We can convert this salty water into the potable, means sweet water, through desalting method. In this process, we can reduce the salt content of the water, but it is little bit difficult and expensive. For these all reasons, we can't use ocean's water. Now, all of you look at this globe. Globe means it's a small model of the earth. It represents all features of the earth. In this, the blue color indicates the portion of the earth covered by the water. So, oceans are the biggest sources of water. Here, the oceans are Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Arctic Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. These are the main oceans of the world. Now, one more question. Why does the ocean look blue? Why does the ocean look blue? The color of ocean water is determined by the way it absorbs and reflects light. Only the blue wave light tends to be reflected, making ocean water appear blue. So that's why the ocean water look in blue color. So next source of water is rivers. Rivers are the fresh water bodies. Usually rivers are rain-fed or snow-fed. They may be rain-fed or snow-fed. Rain is the source of river water. So, rain is the main source of river water. So, rain-fed rivers get water from the rain. These rivers depend on the rains for their water. Heavy rains in the mountains, hills form streams which join to form rivers. Such rivers are called rain-fed rivers. River Godavari is example for rain-fed river. Next type is snow-fed rivers. All of you see this video, children. In summer season or in the hot weather, snow melts. See here, snow, the ice is melting here. And it changes in the liquid state. And the water flows down. Here water is flowing. It starts flowing from the higher mountains. Water flows from highland to lowland over a long distance. Then finally reach the ocean. All rivers finally reach the ocean. See here, now rivers reach the ocean. All rivers flow in their definite route and finally reach the ocean. So, see in this picture, rivers reached the ocean. So it is a India map. In this Indian map, we can see the major rivers of India. Those are, see here, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Yamuna, Chenab, Indus, Jhelum, Ravi, Satluj, Narmada, Tapati, Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri. These are all major rivers of India. And many important cities of India have developed along the banks of river or the rivers tributaries or their tributaries. This is Karnataka map. In this Karnataka map, we can see the major rivers of Karnataka. Those are, see here, major west flowing rivers. These are all major west flowing rivers. In this, we can see here Bedati, Aganashini, Sharavati, Netravati and Kumardhara. So these are all major west flowing rivers. And then this is all Krishna basin and this is Kaveri basin and it's Godavari basin. So these are all here shown in a different colors to identify the different basins of rivers. So this lesson's remaining part we will see in the next class. Thank you.